home where the buffalo roam, and don't give a flying. Talk with signs up, walk with the iron tuck. Leave your eyes wide shut. Money bags on the table, got to get my cut. Level eyes, city slicker, pick up a pretty sister, dig her out. On the table, bent off the Remy liquor, head splitter. The liver so cold, I send shivers. For many figures, battle the world, the end. I'm uptown Saturday night, like Bill Cosby. Got in the jars with vanilla cigars. On the strip, eyeballing the chicks, all in the mix. Gassed off of my vibrating the whip.
One of these days, and it won't be long.
That's what you call it, Paul.
One of these days, and it won't be long.
Shit. Yo, I'm sicker than the V12 X5 with cracks in the Wally jumper. All we do is drink, drive, real. Raise up, mommy, get your feet off the table. The cable of bird, my man got one on his ankle. It's nothing for me to get up with you, Dutch with you, blow up them ratchets and sit up with you. Hey yo, the streets, what is getting more crazy? Stressing me never, invest in these levers. We all in the things freezing. Slinging is just a normal habit. Rabbits we wear, straddlers with cannons and hatchets getting cheers. Yacht season, fresh off the block squeezing, it's real. If we get real, popping at your pop people. Take these and throw them in lakes, it's business. Is on the mic, display your ninjas. 9 crowns versus your 9 towns. Run up with 9 nines, brown down, get the line you down.
One of these days, and it won't be long.
That's what you call it, Paul.
One of these days, and it won't be long.
Yo, I come from the slums, I ain't no dummy. My testament talk, represent money. This verbal intercourse, fueled by exhaust. The breadwinner head spinning cold as winter frost. No remorse, endorse the rap artist. So flamboyant cause I pimp slapped the hardest. Ever since the triumph, we've been missing them soldiers. We came tonight, boy, the mission is Cobra. Full exposure, bulldoze through the rubbish. I'm in too deep, boy, I just gotta love this. They call me too sweet, one of the 9 brothers. I'm so unique, every line that smother. The situation grim, it's a bloody sin. Cause every time I want out, they pull me back in. I see my reflection in the chrome Mac 10. Ask the pastor who's faster with the pen. That bullet, 9 hollows, Eldorados. That's how I like it, sweat on my wine bottle. The automobiles with them shiny hubs. The indoor pool with the bathtub club. My ankles in the mud, veteran smile. That's gangsta, that American style. Dig it, prick my prey off. I'm quick to slay with the rapid fire. Caught by the ricochet.
I got to know. One of these days, and it won't be long.
That's what you call it, Paul.
One of these days, and it won't be long. One of these days, and it won't be long.
That's what you call it, Paul.
One of these days, and it won't be long. I got to know. One of these days, and it won't be long.
That's what you call it, Paul.
One of these days, and it won't be long. I got to know. One of these days, and it won't be long.
That's what you call it, Paul.
One of these days, and it won't be long. I got to know. One of these days, and it won't be long.